he has really put the pedal to the metal and moving along. Looking back at the unit that was behind him, he is trying to catch up as quickly as he can, but he's not taking the, look, it looks like he's exiting again. That unit is going to be right behind him. Peck Road, northbound on Peck Road, coming up to the city of Industry. Trying to look back to see where the LAPD unit is behind him. LAPD unit's about a quarter mile behind him. That's the distance he's put by driving so recklessly between himself and that cruiser. However, the air unit's overhead, and he just can't outrun him, that's for sure. Up ahead, it's going to be winding road as it continues on underneath the 60 freeway. That's going to be the next freeway you're going to see here. And let's see if he makes a right turn. Makes a right turn here. That's back on Workman Mill Road. Workman Mill Road, we saw him before. Looks like he's heading into a light industry area. Actually, there's a small neighborhood. This is a dead-end area here. It doesn't look like there's any way out unless he returns back out of the same way he came in. It looks like he may be getting ready to ditch the car. We're not certain. There's a dead end, we believe, at the other end. He's going into a cul-de-sac right there. He's coming to a stop here. Cul-de-sac right there. Driver running into that home there, it appears, up over the fence and continuing around. So the pursuit has come to an end. It looks like that person may have something in his right hand. And he may be familiar with this area right here. He seems to know exactly where to run and how to jump over these fences and such. So running, hitting the ground there, and coming back around this direction, behind this home. We're going to try and get around here. The LAPD unit is maneuvering overhead. We want to stay out of her way. Over the fence again, and running back out onto another cul-de-sac, and the cul-de-sac 1 block away. Running, seems to be running out of gas a little bit. Hands are up. It looks like we've got another cruiser coming at him. Actually, there are officers on foot. Can't see the vehicle. Actually, I see the vehicle. I don't see. They are. Yeah, I don't see what the activity is. But okay, he is taking. It looks like he's taking the position, and he is setting something down. That may be a cell phone right there. Looks like he had something in his hands, and now it looks like he's going to be surrounded to the officers after that foot pursuit that went over a couple of fences. And LAPD is coming up on those people. If as soon as we can, we're going to pull out and take a look at the car, the vehicle. Looks like we've got another person that is running. We don't know if that's an LAPD officer or not. That may be. Okay, they're taking the driver into custody right now. He's being taken into custody without any further incident. Let's pull out a little bit, Rich, and take a look back. Yeah, it's 1 block this side. There it is, right there. Push in right there. There's the vehicle that was being pursued right there. It looks like the LAPD is on it right now. Let's pull out a little bit and pan just to the left and up. We got some officers that are moving out of that area. That's the direction that the driver ran. So they probably just went after him, but unclear what happened to that passenger. We're pretty certain we saw a passenger there in that vehicle. They have the passenger door open. Of course, the driver is in custody, and so we're just going to try and figure out right now and take a look around and see if we find out what that passenger may have gone. So again, a long fast LAPD pursuit ends here in the Rose Hills area after a driver who was initially wanted for failure to yield, then was suspected of human smuggling, was now taken into custody. Yeah.